Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today, and it's really great to have a video for you today. So today guys, basically I want to share with you guys what has been going on with my money making apps and how I've been doing. So recently what I did, I decided to reinstall back most of the money making app that I've used before. One of the main reasons why I did go ahead and uninstall most of these money making app is because the space on my phone. Now I haven't gained any more space on my phone or anything like that. It's just that I will be uninstalling some of the one that I've been using for some while now, and just taking back some of the one that haven't used in a long while. So yes guys, just to see if there's any changes and how maybe I can earn some earnings from them, and just to see what has been going. It's basically a new year. Let's see if most of these money making app have upgrade their payout or anything like that. So yes guys, so with these money making app I haven't logged in. They're just there, so they're not running. So maybe that is the reason why my phone hasn't been running very hot. That's one of the reason, if you guys can remember, those who's have been sticking to my channel for a while now, that was one of the reasons why I did uninstall most of these apps, because my phone was running very hot all the time, and the money making app that I was earning passively with by sharing my unused internet, those were basically just shutting down and not maximizing the earning. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete some of the ones that I have on the platform now and leave these one. If you're new to my channel guys, basically what I do, I go ahead and share with you guys how I earn passively online when it comes to get paid to sites and money making apps. So yes guys, so if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and check out my other videos that I did, and you can also subscribe, click the notification bell, and continue to earn with me. All the links that I talk about will be in the description down below for you. If you haven't seen the money making app for the link that you are trying to use that I've mentioned, you can comment down below and let me know, and then I'll share it with you, so you be sure you're getting the right money making app. So yes guys, next thing I want to say to you guys is really thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my channel, and also just helping me to grow and just earn more. So once I've basically earned a small amount on my earnings, I from the money making apps, I do go ahead and place those earning into dividend stocks or cryptocurrencies that basically pay me out in a yield. So just want to share with you guys what happened this month. So we're in the month of March now, and today is the 5th, and I've received 9 different dividend check from 9 different companies, and that's just one of the ways how I basically um use these small earnings to buy dividend stocks and earn back monthly with dividend stocks. So just to keep all that into consideration guys. So yeah, so the first one we're gonna basically uninstall is called the 2048. So we're just gonna uninstall that one, and we're also gonna uninstall the black gems, right? We're also gonna install cat black. Not sure what this one is. We're also gonna install the one that says black puzzle Sajuku. Yeah, so we're gonna install this, uninstall this one also, or probably delete it from our phone, just to give the apps that I've download now, just to give them space. Because what happened, I haven't logged into my email, so the apps are just there but they're not running. So once I've logged into those money making apps, they're going to be running, and that's when the phone is going to and I don't want it to, so I'm trying to just create as much space as possible for that. So I'm gonna delete this parking gem, car parking game, right? I'm gonna delete that. And I'm also gonna delete this one. So yeah, after I've deleted all the money making games here, I should only have the ball sort, the Juku Blue Duka, Blue Duka. I think I don't know if if I'm pronouncing these these money apps. I don't know if I'm um pronouncing them properly, but I should only have three. So I should have merge shooter, right? That should be left there. And all of the building blocks except the blue duca should be here also. I'm also gonna uninstall this play and earn crypto. Okay, I'm gonna just leave that one, play and earn crypto, because I don't remember if it's an app or if it's a game. So that's it. And this one also. Yeah. So that's it. And this one too. Okay, so all of them are deleted, but what happened is you're just taking time to actually refresh the page and just get them off. So yes, guys. So also what I want to uninstall is this money making app that I haven't used it from I started the from my install it on my phone. I haven't used it. It's called Roblox VPN. I want to uninstall this because what happened once it's there on the on my phone, it's running and it's taking up space and it's also creating a lot of heat. So yes, guys, just wanna delete those. Yeah, I have two of these money making app. I want to delete one of them, and one is gonna still leave. One is gonna still be there. Okay, so let me see if anything here that I want to delete. Okay, everything here is good. Okay, let's go back into the money making apps. Okay, so okay. So yeah, let me see what's going on here. Everything here is fine. Okay, so once I need to uninstall this money making app. So it's a crypto tab browser. I will uninstall this also. What happened? They haven't been paying me out. They haven't been answering my emails and they haven't been doing anything. So I need the space. So I'm gonna just delete it. For those money making apps that I have downloaded, for those money making apps that I have downloaded and it's there on my phone, like these ones, I won't be putting them in any other. I will just leave them as his, just like this, and I'll use them just like this. I won't put them in any like folder, right? So just keep all that into consideration. Because what happened, each of these money making app will need a game to play. So I will have to, for each of them, I will have to download another money making app to play a game, I think, right? So just want to keep that into consideration as well. So yes, guys. So that's just it. For the website, for example, these websites here, they can stay. They're not taking up any spaces. They're just running on websites. I'm only talking about the apps, right? So yeah. So if you guys understand what I'm saying, only the apps, the website can stay there. They are not taking up any spaces. So yes. So again, what I wanted to, so you guys realize that I've just been basically playing a small amount of game here. I'm just gonna uninstall this one and I'm gonna leave the food fight and I'm gonna leave these three here. So uninstall the Bitcoin Black and just leave these three. I hardly use these from the other day. I just hardly use these, but you know, let's see. right? Hardly use those. And when it comes to these money making apps like the alpha, I will have to go ahead and delete some of them. But the thing is, guys, even then, what happened with these alpha games, they're even introducing newer games, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the newer games that they're having. So if I go to more games, so if I go to new, this is a new game right here. If I go to more games, you can see that they have two new app that they just post. So the nut bolts sort, that is a new one, and the cash black, that is a new one. I will be downloading those and sharing with you guys how I earn with them. But over time, guys, I'm gonna have to delete some of these money making app because they're all connected to the same account. So also keep all that into consideration. I will be doing another video where I share to you guys how each of them are is being played. So yes, guys, just want to say to you guys that basically this is the video that I have for you today. I wanted to explain to you guys basically how I've been organizing my phone just to get a maximum amount of earnings. So just to keep this into consideration. So yes, guys, I hope you guys have been earning and learning. Today was just a where I show you guys how I basically just organize my phone, and it still need lots more organization, but I'm just sharing with you this was the first one and there's more to come. So before I go, guys, I just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.